How to restore your Snapchat streaks. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps and how you can easily recover your Snapchat streaks. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. Now first things first, go ahead and open up Snapchat. Once you have opened up Snapchat, you'll find the chats. Right now here you can see I've lost most of the streaks, but here is just if you have recently lost a streak, means it should not cross a certain moment of time unless you get the restore option. So if you have crossed that time limit, you won't get the restore option, as you can see. But you can see here restore option. So if you get it, if you just recently lost a streak, then you'll get restore option. Tap on restore. Now per month you'll get up to 5 free restore streak option. Right, you can see I've used 3 up and you can see my 2 is available. So if I tap on restore here, it should be restored. Now if you want to restore more than 5 times, then all you gotta do is you'll have to get the Snapchat premium. So Snapchat plus a Snapchat premium, you will have to go ahead and get it. And once you get it, once you purchase the premium, you'll be able to restore infinite amount of streaks. So hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.